Trading Places. The Blues Brothers. For the Blues Brothers, 42 of 480, the greatest movies for guys, 25 of 314, the funniest 80s movies, 30 of 925, the all-time greatest comedy films. Spaceballs. National Lampoon's Animal House. Ghostbusters. More Ghostbusters behind the scenes secrets from Ghostbusters. Most people have never heard vintage Ghostbusters toys that are worth a scary amount. Now 16 of 314, the funniest 80s movies. Caddyshack. Blazing Saddles. The Jerk. More The Jerk, 44 of 925, the all-time greatest comedy films, 272 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies, 54 of 553, the best 70s movies.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.